Welcome back. This short video is part of our playlist called Learn English Phrasal Verbs. Today's phrasal verb is ask out. It's very popular, which is why it has found its way to our list of most frequently used phrasal verbs in English. Before we get started, do consider helping us. Subscribe, give a like and hit that notification button. This way, we can continue to provide you with more videos like this one. Ask out has one specific meaning. It means to ask someone to go with you to a certain place or for a special occasion, to spend time together and have fun. If one or both parties involved are interested in a romantic way, then it is considered a date. Let's start by having a look at how to conjugate ask out. In the infinitive, ask out. In the present tense, ask out, and asks out. Gerund, asking out. Past tense, asked out. Past participle, asked out. As you can see, the verb ask is a regular verb. Now let's have a look at how you can use the popular phrasal verb ask out. After a long think, she decided to ask Tom out for dinner. Many people start by asking a person of interest out for a cup of coffee. He asked Deborah out for dinner. He knew that she loves pasta. Can I ask you out for a cup of coffee? I was wondering, can I ask you out for lunch? There's a great little place nearby. I asked her out for dinner yesterday. Unfortunately, she said she was busy. Just because a guy asks a girl out on a date, doesn't mean he has to pay for everything, or does it? Thank you very much for coming by. If this video provided you with some value, do consider helping us. You know what to do. Subscribe, give a like and hit the notification button. This way you help us grow, while never missing a video from us. Take care and see you soon again.